This lesson is 2.1 in Go Math. It is on multiplication comparisons. So let's read the directions first. It says write a comparison sentence. One thing that we have to remember is always means equal. Say that.
Is always means equal.
Very good. Is always means equal. So it says write a comparison sentence. The equation that it gave us was 6 times 3 is 18. So we just have to fill in the blanks. 6 times as many as 3 is 18. Does that match pretty perfect to our actual equation it gave us?
Yes.
Sure does. Okay, let's look at number 5. This says write an equation. We're just doing it the other way. So it says 2 times. Let's write that. 2 times as many as 8 is 16. Remember, is means equal. Good. Is 16. Let's do number 8 also. Okay, so everyone look at number 8. It says 36 is. So we write 36. What sign do we write for is?
Equal.
Yeah, equals. Is means equal. Is 9 times, what do we write? 9 and times as many as 4. Now you can hear me too. So what you hear, you should write. Okay, very good. All right, let's look at one of the problem-solving problems. Remember, if I'm writing, you're writing. Let's do number 10. It says there are 27 campers, so I circle 27. This is 9 times as many as the number of counselors. How many counselors are there? So I'm going to draw some boxes here. I have 9 times. How many boxes should I draw for that?
9.
Yes, so 9 boxes. So everyone draw 9. I'm going to draw a big long one and break it into 3. And then I'm going to put 3 inside. I'll give you just a second to do that. Everyone should be writing 9 boxes like that. Okay, now I'm going to label it. There are 27 campers, so I'm going to put CA for campers. So this is 9 times as many as the number of counselors. Do we still need a box for counselors? Yeah, there were still some counselors. We just don't know how many. So draw a box for the counselors. I'm going to write CO for counselors. You should too. Okay, give me a pencils up when you're done with that part. Okay, good. All right, now it said there are 27 campers. So I go and I look, okay, 27 is going to go right here. So 27 equals, now we're just counting the campers because that's all we know the total for. So how many campers were there? Or how many boxes for campers? 9. There were 9 boxes. So 27 equals 9 times our box, right? So I have to think 9 times what is 27? So let's go ahead and do our finger trick and find the 2 10s and then put... And then we have to check 7. What finger is down when we do that? If we did this and we did our 9 trick where you put the 27, so we have 2 10s and 7 1s, what number are we multiplying? 3. Totally. It's 3. Now let's just check by singing our 3 song and see if we get to 9 when we get to 27, okay? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Was it 9?
Yes.
So we're right. It was 3. So what do we put in all of the boxes? 3. Do this now. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. Now let's go back to our question. It says how many counselors are there? Well, because we labeled it CO, we know that there were how many? 3. So let's write 3 counselors. I'm going to just circle it so that when I correct it, it's easy to find that. Okay, let's look at number 11. It says draw a model. Write an equation to represent 4 times as many as 3 is 12. Explain your work. Okay, you get to draw a model just like the one I drew here that shows 4 times as many as 3 is 12. And then explain what you did. Okay, you've got this. You'll do great.